judgment I have ever heard in my entire life at the recent Supreme Court ruling on the buyer. I think, sir, you didn't want to discuss that issue on your platform. But after Supreme Court, the Magdalene Mambe 1 minute pe Namfanka Wasem. Share.
And yes, and I didn't want to discuss, but
the personalities involved. And I know person more that.
And then yet about the Supreme Court ruling.
Okay.
Yeah.
But reception at whatever place Anna.
That is fine.
You see, the most embarrassing judgment of my life are my witness this Supreme Court ruling. Share oko court practices ma court issue such directive say enko be with a bench warrant. The person involved has 90 days to appeal. McGarry, sa warrant issue no year ben. But in about 2020 to 2025, how many months?
No, the years assembly.
And that's it. When you say, what there are some court, not even the procedure for filing a process when this one technically it will disqualify our issue. The Apex Court of Ghana is the custodian of our laws. Simple, make pronouncement to be not say any emrema by statute and convention, it automatically becomes part of our laws. Now, Jerry, you see, Uncle Assembly who I say him kwano. Ibi who I say Ochamiano. Ibi so who I say Ohinankasano. I expected even the lower courts to give such disgraceful judgment.
I don't know describing say
Nanke could do Supreme Court. The apex court of our land, the custodians of our laws, nanka more protecting the sanctity of our laws.
Jeremy, about a second.
4-1.
Arrest warrant is not judgment. For you to say you have massa minka.
What the man
arrest warrant and your judgment. For you to say or call for an appeal. I am my number of periods is a sort of appeal.
That's correct.
A pending a year or year per watch. That is.
No, they are court now. Court now, but that is.
But you call for them. Call for them.
Yeah, 1 month faster.
And the court in the kind of thing.
Court in the CM Yenchenimra.
Now, there be my point is. I don't know. Say a year.
Them finding the guilty for anything.
My dear,
arrest.
Yet to Krumha.
I did my question. Say, I did my question.
My maintenance here, oh baby, not say disgraceful. Send it.
My Jerry,
yeah,
you will Krumha and at 2013. Ken Crunchy, Samuel Uku, Sir John, and MONTIE 3. A demo fire similar processing. No more reason, and I'm more offense.
There been a one arrest warrant to ban you.
Meba. Near say or must scandalize a court and into contempt I at you. A contempt case now also or appear before the law courts. One corner and the ma ye issue bench warrants and fanquachino. And so bit like and then judgment near ma. I don't know what the person is saying.
But your house, my member Mukakra, I major.
See a issue. Maybe court that show contempt.
Yes, you are. To clarify something for him to continue. Say issue contempt na ye di wasem. Ye say brabe chirim ni entia okasa.
No, contempt ni ye say contempt ni ye say what book court and
if you have not arrived at that point, how do you determine what court and
you can go and justify himself.
What book court and
contempt is a pronouncement of the court.
Also, what book court
finding you guilty of a court process. Oh, what are you saying?
David, contempt case there and the chuma na chu.
Contempt you have to go and prove yourself innocent.
Contempt ye di was at the moment I better contempt no. And no immediately now no
you are guilty of the offense. You have to come and prove why you shouldn't be.
And now on not found what they are Supreme Court to say contempt now.
No.
Lower
arrest warrant no. Not contempt.
Arrest warrant now. Lower court na issue no. Yembo tungu.
Dem contempt case no betimi adi.
Na Supreme Court na ba to agu.
Contempt
where you arrest warrant no. Adewe
like Obagana, you bet me I don't
know me make him submission. I won't person My simple question to my co-panelists, before I even delve into my issue, they said, were they happy with the attitude of this personality involved in scandalizing our courts?
It doesn't justify the decision from Supreme Court. It doesn't.
Maybe
and that is not
our happiness.
Tobo.
That's not it.
Bibi ankoka papa eje krede. Abrantia wadi ahemfo atem. Abrantia wadi presidents atem.
Don't go there.
Abrantia wadi individuals atem.
Don't go there.
Wadi journalists atem. Which category of people in this country? Which category of people in this country? And Abrante way ananto.
Oh man, I just say.
Only arbiter.
To me, yo. Atem di debe
why be subordinate no go boss Atamos
ya me fa the cross
my submission.
That is it. So that's what I'm talking. That is so who can you know? Who can you know?
This judicial capture by the recent administration.
Disgraceful. Judicial capture.
This judicial capture. With this attitude of these judicial rapists in our superior courts, by 3 members of the recently appointed judges by the current president. Marjorie, the same Mr. say, was this the reason why the man was in a hurry to appoint 7? Marjorie, I repeat, 7 and yet 2 judges Makumako and some at a go. And shamefully, the acting chief justice, pleasing the paymasters, pleasing the paymasters, empaneled 3 of these 7 judges. And
follow principle set.
And apologetically, all these 3 sided with the majority decision makers.
Follow principle.
Principle is principle. And I believe
it's
and I believe President Kufuor Penso Otimi appointed an appeals court a judge to the review panel of the Supreme Court. Emma ni jeli chachuchi kata. Emma NDC for nya ho asem dia ene. Principle is principle. I believe say it is the same adeno. Ena area okay ene.
Okay.
And I believe say if you want to protect the sanctity of our court, Ghanaians shouldn't sit and allow this kind of impunity and judicial capture by this current administration to continue.
All right, better say. Okay, so say you see judicial capture said by MPP panel member. And then I'll be okay.
I mean, a question.
Yeah, a
very nice question. Ghana, and then a Chilean say, can you know? Again, a Chilean say, we are Ghana ni. Krata benechre. And sana, ECOWAS card nearby. Krata benechre say we bet me the actually say we are Ghana ni.
And the one also be Ghana ni.
Yanti Kroma, enna birth set. You too good say and identification for being a Ghanaian.
And only a link ben a woman.
And one of the your friend say omo niema omo ye ni bi. And no musuro ho asem nti.
And no ma him for ye.
Omo ni Supreme Court for no ye then.
Anti musu and no Supreme Court for ye.
Meba.
Messi and no Supreme Court ye.
Can tell a case me do contempt ho.
Messi bra. And no
Supreme Court ya. Next time no keka niema oye nti no fi say jamasa no bi ye. What Chemi Bonia
Bonnie Benham.
Court we.
Judge.
Let us be fair with our judicial. No, but let us be fair and sincere with the judicial system.
Some fool say,
"Tie Emran yedi bu mine." Say what justification say? Yedi assembly atome so. No kwan amode me fa so no. Enye mame. Enti no Supreme Court enhwe no nkama me a. Would come as a Supreme Court no beti o. And only yet a matter of judicial capture or something of that sort. That is not the argument. But we can have a conversation around it. Say, oh, okay, what are the reasons in TIA? I don't know. I've not read the
full judgment.
The full judgment. I've not read it. Yes. We still need to get the full judgment, the ruling. You say, this is the basis for which Adenikusi said, Baku dissenting.
Yeah, Baku dissenting.
One dissenting. And in here, no, so you be ready. Near who say, oh, this is the reason here. We so a dissenting. Near ya compare. Near Mrano, Seni Mrano, ACT in here. So we could general so cause no. Monfa arrest warrant and tone chain. Name of me, I am insisting, said the contempt charge is still on Kevin Taylor. The contempt charge is still on him.
I say the Supreme Court's 4-1 decision to set aside the warrant suggests a division among the judges regarding its legality or appropriateness, particularly given the implication for freedom of expression and the procedures for contempt proceedings against individuals outside the court's immediately physical jurisdiction.
And at a contempt charges and so solely at the bosom of the court. And yet a court in the be decided. Court in the power and or they mount open swar on Yahoo. So it is the decision of the court. So
we know why then court issue bench warrant for his arrest.
But there will be some. I don't know how that.
The same process.
Oh no, I then. And yet, there be no training be no wabu. And issue bench warrant say. When the bench warrant was issued for him, no. Did the security service acted on it or not? Did they act on it? Did they act on it? They attempted to arrest him. Why not Kevin Taylor? Why not Kevin Taylor? Do you have second-class citizens in this country that people are giving preferential treatment?
Are you asking this question?
You see,
are you asking this question?
This attempt to justify this shameful act Yamdin Kakan Wasemi should not be coming from a ruling government.
Okay, but that's it.
Every case has its merit.
Every case has its own merit. But with him,
condemn the one that happened in your government. No. Condemn the one that happened in your government. Before you talk about this. And the immigration officer.
Tony election also.
Wow.
Said told that he cannot be sworn in. And Okoye. That cannot be sworn in or the Koye. And then man,
that is it. That is it. What is this about? What is about you?
Bra.
What is about you? What's he say?
We need the Koye said bra court. Or scandalizing court
position forever.
Or scandalizing court. Now court say brabe you one and a wamba. And so the two are different cases altogether, cannot be compared. I don't know when Fanton change. But I still maintain say there is contempt charge still hanging on the neck of Kevin Taylor.
Does it?
He needs to go to the court
because when arrest warrant no
if he cannot arrest you, he will hold you accountable. You will come.
Okay. All right.
So that one and what I cry.
Because substantive matter I can answer that.
Kevin Taylor must be held accountable for his actions.
0302257902 0302243540. Open town team be some question every mefa calls. Meba. Bemo ache.
My girl, me so almost the same.
Mr. Nukras and Yamia do me oye.
Nka manfa ba ko amba kena anka we wa yin fi so na me gina so wa na wa yin fi so na nyame ma aduma sengo.
Wo se me you we free so.
Na me gina so o fa me gina so.
Oh, aseme na wo ke sa fe na mabie phone line.
Oh, na me gina so, na me gina so.
And I me say afei na mabie phone lines, why no you free so?
Mate,
Yanko anyway.
Kati me boss say me tia no, ko tuki egu from me tia no. Bo mu ase, na me hira no. Dai na me hira o. Ma di be ana onabo akugan. Ye be so man panyon kan do ashaman. Kati di we ni yakwa yi nu aja na wan. Wa ma ye ka man panyon kan do ashaman. Ana chema so jare. We sabi bra MPP ni so. Onua na die bi na Kennedy Japan onim na say yetimi didi atem am ye di obi kogina court am ye di no court asiase ma ne ye di a ene Kennedy Japan edidi Ghana judge pani atem e dey no mtimi ye no e wo mo press soja ni pani pa soja for pani Kennedy Japan na na fini so edidi na atem
It opa kire say into amanfo koso ni atem nko
ma me wo any just say ma Jeremy kasa de dia ya na mpese ma asem mi Maryland. Maybe what play boy so my name. I mean, can tell you. Me be so. Me be so. We young guy here. One more can tell. I want your friend table. Oh, you look at 20 years. And you never had a fear for one. You look at 20 years. Ever solve me a problem. And next one ministry, a car MPP, over 21 billion Ghana cedis. And one year, some of them come with them, say, young come with them. And then drones to our crowd by a year, should I young who come with them. And now one be here, what did you be at the you will be at the year, you'll be for 20 years. And you can do the phone, and just can't go and say, I didn't know.
Okay, what can say you, Peso, you must have no. Mr. Nokrasa, it was say, Honorable Kennedy Japan did the atamunti. Yanko Swayama Grofo ni atamunko.
Sir, and then from yet.
Now you justify. Now would you say, and then you know, they're working. Sir, Madam, thank you. Mamma Vanessa call and young quay. Marty,
my Jerry, Major, so
yet you.
Mamentia, me ankasa, Minuaba, only media for I and before how Kumisi. Na income Yamai, Yombodu, Potosha, Mugabi, Ane, Anyaku, Kobi, Oba, Bepe, and P. Majari, in summer, I move was one of pay, Numi and Sabia Meboso, Galamsey, Namidi kind. Say Galamsey out to Ghana, na Namra, 2 million, Sabi, Yen Binia Penti, Ichimiku, Jina, a dear to Galamsey, near Catcher, say. Mondia Munirimu, near Ba, you be Munina, and then Munis Aginte Senya, and Negana Classy. Nami Mundia, Mampani, Nana Kufado, Nani, ye Ufio Kumyaso, or the Nick, the part lay 2 minutes to Sakumia, and Kusiaga, a large Bomia Case or Ba, Kaone, I am Fubakabu no Maya. Made me say, Yaya, my dear Mamma Katikitum, Domain crew. Na, could we afford a Monku? I am from you, Bakuji, Bakwanji, and a Bako. Born and not you on Budamani on a papa book with your mouth, you know. And a Kumo, yes, some machine Nakugu and Briasi. If you had needed 2 million year penal, young fan shiny shining for that, can be Giddy Sabi, the best friend is for 2 million Momo. Don't be any year Biana, say a bay Yamagana for fine, then you man, then near my question, my Jerry, and yet,
okay.
No be education, yes, on ye, mobile money, a binding power for mono, why you must for the same Nipana gun and Mama Jerry.
Madam, sir, my member do well. I miss Jones. Marche? Yes, sir.
I from here, the Donabo and Trafavinco. The Vicar, you have a friend, you were in Sakia, again, friend Annabelle. By day, one day, and this is one. Mahama or Juma pa na bet MPP. A Juma by Bayano and saw Manganani into your Mangan and Tabama home. Share a department of Tabama NDC. Na MPP Tiwa. Some way Juma de Bia Modi a book grow na Modi Bua May and a Moniati and a Mudio Mansika and a Omagana Yaniati again Tom Muni says Canadian. Share your celebrate your Patomio or Accra. Your Panico. For I hired the our car. The same good taxi, that's a whole for dropping. What you can now for dropping a number a yaba show. The same yourself, one share aim for them. There's a woman intimate more a car and Kagrunum. So, for the pressure, and I defer one your car to cover a movie. Because what you show are not independent, you appear not the special at the other say. If you're simple, was the almost I did my and so a titty on Kagrumpa, my Zeno, and wasn't your name, intimate more on Kagrumi.
Bra me da se. Me ba cho ma che.
Nyame abom ni sai.
Nyame adomo.
Media de lampada man from Kazafa am from Kumasi.
Yo.
Mini ya unyima pedi na ye wo chi na ye monitor mama konya mi che ni ba ku bi. Mama che ono bu brand le tampon ha unify on one na ba ba tu abamboni ama. Na mi che ono bu kwa bla kokofu. One ye wo ban te ma ye sha sante masu nyina be ka ni pa meji na secretary na me ma be bi sha Kumasi wono so ba ma organize mini ya. Yako national conference MPP4. You say he has me be stress ye ko ye no enoma ye se agitumi nyina ho yakogye atum ye ne ye se ye agitumi so ya anya antum etie nyina nye ba ko na mpanyifo no mudi ye ne me se so mo kasa ntre o machiri fo menua me ma ya delegate by 14 years ne me ka je se me bia mato abia no etuma wo bia wo kuo mo pass bia me hu a nko pop kasa kasa tie kuo na mo ye bi tie kuo na me ntuma ba ma da sa na bi delegate tie etie se sa ni pa be siasa num ni nyina obi asepata obi edi bi eye na so kunya eba ya de ha ba ko pa de da hinten so ano eti ebesre wo muso mo kasa nche motiti ponye kamum na se ne no ma ko mai mu basa na usha gana ni bi ne no ma busa ne ma ho so obi awa sepa na ti gana ni bi amuna una wa so obi awa sepa na ti komu di Ghana po ese atiti no ma so esu wu be ndi spon kwa ku market ese atiti no ma so ene atemu di die na legalize no Ghana ha no ene ka bitela odidi atemu ni odidi sabi opemu so atem edidi tifi mama tema ko ina temejano Ghana for years any of it me pa me ni nyame adwuma
Me da se ko ye bala so na so nko ma che
me jo so ma Jerry
yes sir
catch ni dia the party my catch dey na me dia the papa e ko no ma me fit ma committee too in French akese koma eye honorable eye Putozwa Suhumbu Gabi and so incoming national chairman Mr. John Boadu honorable maybe Sawakum Sen JFK general secretary in office Nana K na kwa bakese agwasa ba de shekunkro maybe o we am share mo inya be ma and then this is for o mu defend some man people also no more attacking on and they mu defend and the best justification now the ma the first Supreme Court judgment ya ba ye ho say you must so say be at the so judge na di na tem no no na judge ti no nim da o mu issue sa bench warrant say ko fa na bla mo me yi no no wa ma and then e must so na mo ya na abronye na Canada Japan mutie FM mutie tamo ebe to ba tibidi de be na money di akufado e di dia maka say electoral commission be ware no be ye na masaba sesi ai be ware ma me no we dey atibidi de money di akufado tietia why say se mo nkeka me ko bi tweak kana radio so mudi dia tema take personality mo ye ka bo mo ni so dia where kai was it maybe with staff seat but I say bo ko mo dia bo ka samba na ma ayi and you right say acting on free party no because I say a journey crudity party let's start doing with the same names no na names no who are there every people don't be to money more money call him na mo be hwia kwa chire and na mo buy mo say tax what to tax we want to before about the 20 cities and 100 minutes about 100 minutes about so and when I am no
okay me da se be ma ya da se
what me face am this okay,
that's all. All right.